Rhino CCF Hunting here with another video. And correct me if I'm wrong, guys. This is episode 14, volume 3.
Volume
eBay.
3, eBay haul.
eBay hauls, alright. So.
And who are you? You said this is Rhino. Who are you?
I'm Judy McCoy.
Hello.
Okay, so we're just gonna get right into this. I'm gonna have to kind of have to do it this way so I don't show any of our stuff because you guys, there are limits here.
I'm teaching the kids safety.
Okay, there we go. All right. So first thing we have here are this is some interesting packaging. Okay, so I'm trying to see if there's tape and I can't hit it, guys. Yeah, let me have this up. What?
Cut yourself.
What tape is this guy using? This is some tape that doesn't get cut. Okay. I think we may have got. Bros, we're getting pranked right now. Are you kidding me? Hey guys. Oh, there we go. That's a good spot right there. Okay, I see it. Now we'll be able to really get this stuff, guys. I'm trying not to break anything. I'm like paranoid right now. Okay, alright. Got most of it. Oh my gosh, more tape. You know, honestly, guys, if you're gonna send packages out, don't overdo it on the tape, okay?
That's the eBay eBay sellers.
Okay, so we're gonna get the first one out. Dad, you peek on that while I kind of.
What is this?
No idea.
Well, open it up.
Oh, I'm trying to get these out.
Oh, it's a quarter.
There we go. All right.
All right. Looks like we have some silver quarters. What do we have here?
All right. So there we go. Let's get these first three, and then we'll flip
Nice. Okay. Let's go ahead. So it looks like on this one we have a 1935. Yep, that light helps a little bit.
I'm just gonna flip
That one is a 1932. And that is a 1944. Beautiful. Let's flip it over and see if there's mint marks. Don't see anything on that one. A little nicked up, not in too good shape. Too good of shape, excuse me. Oh, you already flipped it?
Yep.
Let's see.
Pranked.
Nope. Don't see a mint mark on that one. Not sure on that one because the package is in the way. But what we'll do is in the recap, I'll go ahead and get those opened up and we'll take a final shot of that one. But let's get into package number 2.
Right,
so that's cool.
We
We have some silver quarters. Never hurts to add that to the collection.
Now see, this packaging seems pretty simple.
Does it?
I swear, why does it make everything more
Well, you have
complicated?
scissors. Cut.
Sure, listen,
Set
I'm
a
not paranoid.
slice.
Like I said, if I accidentally break something or cut something, it's
True. That's right.
This could explain these stupid foam beads getting in the way of me trying to cut.
Okay, we'll get your scissors and cut.
Like I said, paranoia. Just gonna dump it back out. Okay, there we go. Be gone, be gone. Okay.
Hey, we got some foam beads.
Yep. Alright, so this does have a bunch of information on it, so I'm just going to take this out. It's just all building stuff and
Okay,
all that.
what do we have here?
Oh, that's a nice one.
Let's see, what do we have?
So I'll
Go
show
ahead and
you.
hold it up. Oh, it's a peace dollar.
So I'll show the back because there's some more information on
Okay.
it.
Let's see. So we have looks like a 1923S peace dollar. Beautiful. Yeah.
I don't want to take it out of the package. It just looks too clean to touch.
No, go ahead and take it
we're
out.
gonna take it out.
Yep, just be careful
Man,
with that.
that's all the ooh. This guy's kind of got like his own business.
Good.
I think. Okay.
This is our first peace dollar.
Ooh, that's.
Let's see.
It's got a good weight to it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go ahead and cut that light off. Thank you. There. Oh, beautiful. Look.
That is a nice looking coin.
And you can, and the detail and everything, so it's not worn. Looks like it's in terrific shape. Oh, look at the back of that. It's just beautiful.
This guy's got his logo number back here. Should we show this? It's like this guy's company.
No,
right?
we're okay. Let's keep that private.
All right.
And if you look right there, you're gonna see the S in the corner. Get a look. No, gotta kill that light for me. Thank you.
Get the glare on that.
Yep,
Sure you
we
don't
can see it.
Okay.
So right there underneath the 1. Oh, what a nice heavy coin. Oh, look, it's in beautiful condition. Look at that. That is beautiful. All right. Okay, so let's get that back in its sleeve. And again, a real good deal on those guys out of eBay with silver being below spot. Not below spot, excuse me, but being so low. Finding those deals and picking those up. And right now on the piece dollars, I definitely want to get the good looking coins and get those sent out to get them graded. So that way we can see if we can get a high grade on some stuff and find some super deals out there. And then have the opportunity of having a higher collection one day. Higher quality in our collection, I guess I want to say. So there it is right there. We'll go ahead and kind of give you a little close-up again. One final shot. There we go. No, that's a little bit. Good. That's pretty. 1944. Or 1935. All right, guys. Well, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for future videos. Again, this is episode 14, volume 3. Episode 14 is going to go up to volume 8. We have that much to go ahead and unbox, but we're doing them in 2s, trying to keep these clips small, bite-sized for you guys to watch and enjoy. If there's anything that we can do for you or hunt or look, please let us know. But again, thank you to everybody. Happy holidays.